Hi, Larry Benjamin here with another Tesla Model 3 video. This time I won't be reviewing the car, because I don't actually have it in my possession. I was unfortunately rear-ended in an accident while parked, so all I have is this 1/18 scale model of it for now. The model is excellent and a great representation of the car, however I obviously can't drive it. An elderly woman used my car as her brake and hit me on the rear quarter panel and bumper. Significant damage occurred to the quarter panel area of the car, but not the frame. She hit my car so hard it hit the car in front of me, causing it to go over the curb as well as damaging the front bumper. The back wheel's rim cracked and passenger side rim has a rash from the curb. The car needed to be towed to a tow yard and finally to an authorized Tesla body shop. AGC Collision in Silver Lake is an excellent repair shop that never let my battery get depleted. The figure of $8,223 was agreed upon to complete the job. However, once the car was put on the rack and a much more detailed examination revealed additional damage occurred than previously thought. The car's interior, rear suspension, battery, and drive assembly were all removed for body repair work to commence. This more than doubled the original estimate. Many more parts needed to be ordered from Tesla, and this is where the significant delays occurred. As much body work that could be done was done until more parts arrived. This is the thing that holds up all body repairs. When the car was put back together and looked nearly new, a test drive revealed that the steering column control module needed to be replaced, so more waiting for those two parts was now necessary. I contacted a body shop repair advocate to help me track the parts. This is something that Elon is certainly aware of, as indicated by this tweet. When you choose the Tesla app while your car is in service, it indicates service mode on your phone, as well as the screen. During these nearly 4 months, I've driven several different cars, and insurance only covers 1 month of car rental. I had to front the other 3 months out of pocket, and I'm currently pursuing the woman's insurance company to get reimbursed. My body shop advocate got 20 days of additional authorization for car rental, so I'm no longer out of pocket, and I am getting to drive some fun cars. Look, I love this car and have a YouTube channel raving about its features and excellence. When I do eventually get it back, I'll get back to reviewing some new software features. I've opted in for advanced software updates as my car was one of the first couple of thousand made. These videos have been shared all over the web, and I do it to get good information out there, not monetizing it. However, if a car company or tech company for that matter is going to be disruptive, then it should all be thought out well, as waiting this long to get my car back is ridiculous and inexplicable. Here's my repair saga, episode 1. On March 13th, the car was towed to All City Tow. March 15th, it was moved to AGC Collision. March 16th, appraised for damage. March 17th, the parts are ordered from Tesla. March 17th through May 15th, waiting for parts. May 15th through May 22nd, some repairs occur. May 29th, a supplemental appraisal requires more parts from Tesla. May 29th through June 11th, waiting for parts. June 11th through June 20th, all bodywork is completed. The car is tested and requires 2 more steering wheel parts. June 20th, the steering column control module and airbag harness clip is ordered. July 2nd, still waiting. No parts. ETA July 3rd. 112 days and counting.